Don Mariano married again. Ang connection na Diaz sa Pilipina from Calisa, hindi pala continue sa 10. Dinugtungan pa ng 3. So all in all, he had 13 children. Out of 13, ang youngest second wife recently lang namatay.
Okay.
Huwag niyo ko tingnan. Cecilia Lacson Misa, she passed away last September 7 of 2011 at the age of 93 years old. It means wala na siyang anak na buhay.
Okay.
Pagkakataon ko nang makuha. Si Don Mariano yung isa sa nagmamayari ng pinakamalawak na sugarcane plantation dito. Specifically, it's 440 hectares. But they divide niya sa 10 anak, hindi kasama ang pamilya. Gamit ng Japanese during World War II. It's a sad story kasi sinunog nila. But for me, it's a very good idea.
Dahil may
trabaho ako.
yun.
Pwede imagine, inalaw nilang tira ng Japanese. Possibility bubumbahin ng mga Amerikano yan. But allowed to use the old one. Pinutol yung
may multo?
Pero kung ikaw yung multo, ako yung makasama mo, tatagal ka. Sila yung nawala. Wala naman, because maybe I don't believe. For 4 years ko walang may nagparamdam sa akin. Pag may nagkakatok nga doon sa pintuan, tinatanong ko, ano yan, hold up or rape? Okay lang yun. Kayo. Pag hold up, huwag kayo dito, wala akong pera ngayon. Para di ba parang ganon. Tatawa nga eh. Buti na punta kayo dito. If you're in Bacolod, your visit is not complete without the ruins.
Yes.
But your visit in the ruins is not complete without me.
Yeah.
Kahit kompleto na kayo.
Yeah.
So let's get in. Exit namin mga exit. Kompleto na kayo. Pinalabas.
Burn. Because it's war. You don't want somebody to use it. War. Burn. They made it under construction. No. Still under construction. See? Under construction. They're still making it. It was burned before.
Roger Lazaro, I'm the third big placer of Pinoy Big Brother 737. Welcome to my house. Welcome to the ruins.